Morning guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're well. Now if you've been following my channel for a while or subscribed to my channel, which obviously I hope you have, if you haven't, get down there and subscribe. In a lot of my videos I've been saying that I'm doing my IAM advanced riding course for an end goal, for an end reason, but I haven't told you why. Today I am going to tell you why, because everything I've been waiting for has finally fallen into place. Well, basically it's all go. So to be able to reveal my big secret, I need to take you downstairs, but before I do that, I'll give you a little bit of a clue. This is not a BMW key. Worked it out yet? I'll see you after the intro. And in there is my big secret. So, let's reveal it, shall we? So there you go guys, I am now a blood biker, or blood runner, depending on what you call us. Today is the 2nd of May, tonight is my first night on the blood runs. No idea what to expect, but I'm looking forward to it nonetheless. So for those of you who don't know what blood bikers do, they are a completely and utterly voluntary service. There's no wages or payment whatsoever involved. They're an out of hours service for the NHS, covering any emergency blood transport or any blood samples or donated breast milk for the neonatal units, it's hard to say, neonatal units for really sick babies. They also transport emergency COVID samples. Pretty much they'll move anything that's required by the NHS. Completely and utterly voluntary. It saves the NHS thousands of pounds a year for having this service on call, basically. I've wanted to be a blood biker pretty much since I passed my motorcycle test about 10 years ago. I looked into it, I was told information that wasn't correct, but that was purely because it was a different group. I now ride for the Norfolk blood bikers. They have, I believe it's 12 bikes and 4 cars available. So majority of the time I'll be on this bike, but there's a chance I might be in a car or I might be on another bike. They use the cars generally for weekends because they can carry more, and weekends generally are quite busy. They also don't use a bike when it gets below 5 degrees because the products they transport don't do well with cold temperatures, so hence they use a car to keep it warmer. Obviously, as you can see, these are blue lights and sirens. They can be used, but generally because we ride overnight you don't need to use them, but they can be used for situations where there's traffic works, where you need to get through to get to the hospital, because obviously at the end of the day you're still an emergency service, so you need to get the products you're transporting to the hospitals in urgent situations, so you can use them then. Ultimately you won't be using them, which is a bit of a shame. So basically what will happen is tonight, if a call comes in, I will have a phone call from a controller who's also voluntary. He'll phone me up, tell me where I need to go to pick anything up, or I might have to meet another blood biker from maybe further afield in Norfolk, or I might even have to meet another biker from another county completely to take it from him to deliver to another hospital. It pretty much all depends on what's required of the time. So yeah, see what happens tonight really. I might go the whole night with nothing at all. either way, I'm ready and prepared for it. I know what to expect. So yeah, there you go, guys. That was my big secret and why I was doing the IAM and my end goal, and this is my end goal. Be part of the blood bikes. I'll obviously keep you up to date with how tonight goes. No idea what to expect, but looking forward to it nonetheless. And then yeah, as time goes on, I'll let you know how I'm getting on with it. If there's anything you want to know about blood bikes, how you get involved with blood bikes, or any more information, I'm still learning myself how it all works and stuff like that, so if I can provide the information I will. So yeah, pretty much just watch this space. I think I'll enjoy it. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, like I said, so it's finally here. So look forward to getting my first call. Catch you on the next one. See you later.